Hey, what's up guys, Tori here again. If you've been buying Bitcoin the past few days, you're gonna get really surprised. A lot of people panic. People are panicking because they don't know what's going on. They only see this Bitcoin price is driven down, right? It went from like 17,000 down to 12, I think 12 or 13,000. That's a huge move, right? First thing first I want to talk about is people who panic about Bitcoin, about the price of Bitcoin, are those people who have no idea about blockchain, all right? They bought Bitcoin at the first place is because everybody else was talking about Bitcoin. They want to catch the trend. They were doubting their investment at the first place because they followed the crowd. There could be a bajillion reasons why Bitcoin price was going down. People could be doing Christmas shopping and they want to sell some Bitcoins. And there could be news, bad news about Bitcoin, in a specific country. Understand the fundamental. All right, understand the blockchain. Second concept I want to talk about is called dollar averaging. So what is dollar averaging? When Bitcoin price comes down, don't sell. What you do, you want to buy, but don't buy it all. You have no idea where the price is going to drop to, right? So I recommend you is called dollar averaging. So every time when the price comes down a little, you buy a little. It drops a little bit more, you buy a little bit more. Just enter a small position, not a huge position, and comes down, buy a little bit more. Down, buy a little more. And then when the Bitcoin price goes to normal, above 20K or 17K, all those small investments will increase your portfolio growth. That is a huge aspect I want you to understand. Third thing, how you can make money when the price comes down. We can make money with the volatility, and I will show you guys step by step. Come follow me. So let's quickly recap what's going on with the Bitcoin chart, the Bitcoin market. So the price 5 days ago, the price was holding around 19,000 area, and and something happened. I guess everybody went Christmas shopping. They sold their Bitcoin, and the price went from 19,000 down to 11K, guys. 11205, which is 11,000. That is $8,000 move, all right? So here's the deal, all right? This is my 1 hour chart, and my 4 hour chart, I had a trend line holding it. So the price actually went down to here and it came up here and slowly recovering. And this is my 30 minutes chart, and it broke this trend line. It's gonna slowly come up here. It's continued to uptrend. If it's not, it might has a little correction again, all right? So don't panic or anything, guys. Remember, I mentioned to you the dollar averaging. This is what's going on. Every time it comes down a little bit, you buy a little bit. Comes down a little bit, you buy a little bit. Down a little bit till here. If you bought around here, 12,000 area, I want you to pat yourself at the back and go treat yourself a good dinner tonight, all right? And here's the deal, all right? You see this huge move right here. What is volatility? From here to here, shoot up there. Probably, let's assume that's a 30% move right here. And it shoots down, let's say if that's 20%, the 30%, 20%, that's called a volatility. There is a program that I invested in. I tested, I invested a small amount and it worked perfectly, and I wanted to put in $10,000 more to it. So if you're a beginner, all right, you don't understand anything, it's okay, it's totally fine. Putting a little bit time and effort to it, everybody can learn, all right? No one was born with these charts and how to draw these charts, right? So I want you to have a little bit patience and learn it. The best course I went through, I will drop a link below. You'll find it in my description. That course used to be $240 something, and right now they're running a promotion. They're giving out to educate massive people for free. So if you are interested in learning, definitely go click the link below. But the platform I'm gonna show you guys is called a Big Connect. If you don't know about Big Connect, it's totally fine. I will show you how this platform, this program works, and how you can make a lot of money even Bitcoin price goes down. All right. So if you don't have an account, the link is below again. Go sign up, click the link. If you join the team, I will show you much more. All right. And we'll probably give you some good tips and tricks and strategy of how you can grow your initial fund to your initial loan to a bigger scale. Land Big Connect, this button right here, click it, and you will see the 4 options, right? Depending on how much you want to invest, there are different levels of lending these loans. I'm gonna quickly go through with you. First one, minimum is $100 loan. You can lend from anywhere from 100 to 1,000. What you get is volatility software interest. I'll show you what this is. All right. Second option is if you invest $10,010 up to 5,000, you get volatility software interest, which is very close to 1%. I will show you. Plus guaranteed 0.1% daily. All right. You get paid every day by USD, but you can use that USD to buy BitConnect tokens, or you can do exchange to Bitcoin tokens, whatever you want to do. And your capital is going to get released in 239 days. Third option is 5,010 up to 10,000. You get again around on average of 1% plus 0.2% daily, and you get your loan back around 180 days. The fourth option is $10,010 up to 100,000. What you get is on average 1% plus 0.25 daily. This 0.25, it looks small, right? But listen, if you compound this, that's where magic happens. All right, you get your loan back around 120 days, which is 4-month period. I have a specific strategy if you want to invest 10,010 and you can get extra cash. I just want to quickly go through with you how you can make money even Bitcoin price goes down. When Bitcoin price goes down a lot, that means there's volatility in the market. There is a reason why they call this volatility software interest. It's because they're using these softwares to trade against Bitcoin volatility, and that's where you can get that on average 1%, so 30% a month and 365% a year. All right, on average, but I'll show you. So if you click on the volatility software interest, check this out. If I invest on 10,000, let's say 10,000 10 loan in 120 days, do a calculation, 24,000 with 10,000 investment, grow from 10 to 24, and that's 14,000 pure profit, and it's 142% return on investment. All right, that's amazing. So if you come down here, this is all the payouts since the very beginning. All right, there were days people were getting paid 5.2, you know, there were days 4.8. On average, people are getting paid around 0.5 up to 2%. In that range, this 0.5, which is really good. The next day's pending here is 0.28%. And according to last 6 months, if I invest on 10 loan, I'm getting, remember here, getting 0.25% extra as a bonus. At the beginning, I heard the program, I was like, this is amazing, right? I did my due diligence. I pretty much went through a bajillion videos and a lot of articles about this. I kind of grasped how this company, BitConnect, this program, how they function, how they operate, all right? There's a lot of things behind this. It's very powerful. But the things I want to show you is this. When I heard this program, I kind of know about compound interest. So here's the compound interest I wanted to show you. This is a compound machine spreadsheet. 0.94 plus 0.25. That's 1.19. So on spreadsheet, you want to put in the amount of your interest rate, which is 1.19, right? All the numbers will change. And this is my $10,000 loan, 1010. This is how you make money even Bitcoin goes down. So volatility, right? When there's volatility in the market, you get paid by lending out your loan. The money you make from this loan, 1010 loan, at the beginning, you don't want to spend it, all right? Don't eat your seed corn. That's the biggest thing I learned through my mentor. He said, don't eat your seed corn. You want to reinvest on it. So 10,000, right? 1010 loan right here. And your interest rate is 1.19 right here. And the first day, you're getting paid $119, right? It's gonna show up. It's gonna show up right here in your lending wallet. What you do is you reinvest your interest that you earned on the first day. You reinvest on it, and the next day, what happened is your loaning pool, the amount in total that you lend out is no longer 10,000. It's 10,000 plus 110. $10,120. So your second day you got paid 120. What happens on the second day? Again, don't eat your seed corn, reinvest on the second day. You reinvest 120. And third day, you no longer have $10,120. Right now you have $10,240. You see this? Your basket already started to grow, and then now you're getting paid 121. Previously you have some change left over, right? Just like this. Just like this, some change left over, and you're still getting paid in your lending wallet. And the third day, your lending wallet is gonna end up with 131, and you want to reinvest 130. You get what I'm saying? So we just constantly reinvest. What happened is this, all right? 120 days later, remember, you get your capital release in 120 days. Let's come to 120 day right here. So 120 days after, by doing reinvesting, this is called compound interest, right? You're gonna end up with 40K. By simply loan out $10,000, you earn 30,000. So in total, you have 40,000 profit. What you do now, 120 days later, guess what happened? You get your loan back. You get your capital back, right? It's being released back to your wallet. Right now, you put your seed coin in the pocket. The left $30,000 is some money. You can invest on it. You can exchange back to Bitconnect token, and you can exchange back to Bitcoin, which is the end goal, right? A lot of people want to accumulate more Bitcoin. This is the way how you can get more Bitcoin, is because you're getting paid by lending and earning the interest, right? And with that interest, you reinvest. And then what happens is, with that compound effect, with that snowball effect, you can accumulate more, and you can exchange back to Bitcoin, or you can stay here on this platform and you can start to lend out bigger amount. Guys, remember here, this is 24. This is only based on if you don't do any reinvest. By this interest rate, you're getting 24,000 versus here it's 40,000, almost 41,000. Here's my little trick, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Most importantly, subscribe to the channel for future content. If you don't have a Bitconnect account, the link is below. You can start to lend out your loans and collect interest on it, just like how I showed you. If you are a beginner, as a bonus, I'll leave a link below as well. It's the course that will cover up not only Bitcoin, about blockchain, about crypto, the fundamental knowledge you have to have along the way, all right? That course used to be 240 something. Right now is running promotion for free. Just sign up, leave your email and name. They have a certification program. You're gonna learn a lot. Take care, guys. I'm gonna see you guys very soon, all right?